Wow, if you want to see how I made this wig with just one pack of braiding hair, do keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're a subscriber, I really want to thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for standing by me, for watching my videos, for liking, for commenting. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate, and we are growing on this channel. So if you want to join us, you're welcome to join us. Do subscribe to my channel. So guys, at this point I added a black wig cap under the wig net so I can be able to see the closure part well, but it was not a great idea, so please don't do that. If you want to use anything under, make sure it's a thick wig cap. So while making this part, you have to pass your crochet pin through the net gently and then grab about 3 to 4 braiding hair and then pass it over to the other side. Since we're just starting, we're starting off with about 4 or 5, but once you get to the part where you need your middle to be, make sure you use less hair. Now this is the reason why I said you should make use of a thick wig cap, because I mistakenly crocheted the hair to the wig cap, so please make use of a thick wig cap. So the essence of this is to know where you will crochet your braiding hair to. You can make use of your concealer to do this or an eye pencil. You can make use of any hair conditioner you have. After doing that, pour hot water into it and then stir with a comb. And then after doing that, you can dip your hair into it. Please do make sure to use a bigger bowl or preferably a bucket to do this. I went ahead to apply my leave-in conditioner on one side of the wig, and I'll be showing you how to do the other part. At this point, the wig is already looking so beautiful. I really hope you're enjoying this video. Please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to join this family. And today we'll be using this permanent marker to color the root of the hair to make it darker. This gave this hair a whole other look. Like, it made it look so beautiful and classy and nice, and any nice thing you can think about. Okay, so this is what the hair is looking like. It's so beautiful. Like, you won't even believe we used braiding hair to do this. It's so beautiful. So let's try this hair on. Can you see this? I don't know if you're feeling this hair, because I am feeling the hair. Please do subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video. Can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.